Hi everyone, in this video I will show you 5 free fonts which I really like for you to use in creating your own designs. I hope you enjoy it. The 5 fonts I'm going to show you, you will get them for free on this website, 1001 fonts. To find the first font, you will type in the search bar the word Haustila. The font name is Haustila Regular. This font is free for commercial use, so you can use this font in your print-on-demand business. I really like this font. It's a cursive font or a script font. And now I will show you some designs that you can make using this font. You can use this font to create designs like this. Jesus saves, I spend. This is just an example. This design is using only this font, or you can mix this font, Haustila, with other font to create a design like this. Let's see this design in one mockup. See this design. I really love this type of design when you mix two fonts. It's a simple design but very attractive. Now let's see the second font of this video. To find the second font, you will type in the search bar the word Erasar. The website will show this. Erasar font is also free for commercial use. Just make the download and install this font in your computer. This font is perfect for dinosaurs designs because dinosaur design is very popular in Redbubble and in any other print-on-demand platform. Now let's see this font in some designs. The first design that I show you is only text-based. This famous trend, easily distracted by dinosaurs. I use this Erasar font to create this design. You can create only text-based design, or if you want, you create text with one graphic. Now let's see this design in one mockup. So this font combines very well with the dinosaur and is perfect for kids clothing with dinosaurs graphic elements. Now let's see the next font. And the third font that I want to show you, you will type in the search bar the word Heroine. The name font is Heroine. Citabulme Regular is also other free font, free for personal and commercial use. I like this font because it's big and bold, and this font has this light distressed effect that I really love it. Let's see this font in some designs. For an example, I choose this famous trend. In my defense, I was left unsupervised. Is a funny quote. Let's see this quote in a mockup. In my defense, I was left unsupervised. You can see this font is very visible, easy to read, and a good option for text-based designs. Now let's go to the next font. For the third font of this video, you will type the word Capture Smalls. The font name is Capture Smalls Regular. Is also 100% free for commercial use. I like this font because it's very easy to read and has two options. The first option is the font with the distressed effect, and the second option is this font in a clean version. Let's see this font in one design to get inspired. In this example, I choose the distressed version of this font. I create a design for gym or fitness niche. You can see I mix text with one graphic. Let's see this design in one mockup. I like this distressed effect. It's very popular in print on demand, and whenever you can, create designs by mixing graphics and text. These are the most popular types of design on Redbubble. Now let's see the next font. And the last font of this video is related with the football niche. You will type in the search bar Varsity Team. The word name is Varsity Team Bold. This font is perfect for football designs in the sport niche because football designs also are very popular on Redbubble. Let's see this font in one design example. For this example, I choose the famous quote, "Eat, sleep, football, repeat." This quote is famous in scalable art in a lot of print-on-demand platforms. Let's see this design in one mockup. I like this font because it combines with the sport niche, is bold and easy to read, and also a good option for text-based designs. Thanks for watching this video, and I see you in the next video.